In this video, I'll show you how to make grid lines bold in Microsoft Excel. If you only want bold grid lines for a specific table or range, select that range first. If you want to apply this to the entire sheet, click the small triangle in the top left corner to select all cells. Next, go to the Home tab. In the Font section, click the Borders drop-down arrow, then select More Borders. This will open the Format Cells window on the Border tab. From here, choose a thick border style. Pick a color if you want. Then click Outline and Inside to apply the borders to all selected cells. Click OK. You'll now see bold grid lines across your selected area. Keep in mind, these are cell borders, not actual Excel grid lines. The default grid lines are simply hidden behind the borders. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.